There are things you should never say when you want to close a sale, and that's because nobody wants to lose a sale. As a salesperson, everything you're going to do without closing that sale, you've not done anything. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 things you should avoid when trying to close a sale. They are in sentences, they are in words. You should avoid them with everything so you can be able to close that sale. You know, that's the joy of being a salesperson, right? Yes, but have you ever lost a sale before? Probably because you didn't say what you were supposed to say correctly, and boom, you lost that sale. Tell me in the comment box below. My name is Kingsley Nemeka, and I just want to say a very big welcome if this is your first time of coming to this channel. We'll make videos on copywriting and how you can use just your smartphone to make more money for yourself through the internet business tips and ideas we bring for you on this channel. If that interests you, go right now and hit the subscribe bell button. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that each time we drop a video on how you can make money on the internet with just your smartphone, you will be the first person to get the notification from YouTube. I hope you have done that. Yes, we are talking about things you should avoid when trying to close a sale. And that's because it is important you know these things so that you avoid it, like you avoid anything that is poisonous. Whenever you're trying to close a sale, don't say buy. I mean, people want to actually buy what you're selling, but they don't want to be sold. They want to actually buy that thing you're selling, but they don't want to go through the process of thinking how their money will leave their pocket and they pay you for it. So you must be able to provide a solution that this your product is going to meet, and at the end they are the ones seeing the importance and they know they should remove money and pay for it. So do not bring a product to the point where you are the one telling people to buy. And if you say buy, it means they are just going to think about, oh, I'm about to lose money, I'm about to lose money. And at the end of the day, they will say, okay, no, I don't want to buy. That's why you should be able to add free value to the life of people, so at the end of the day, they know that you are valuable enough to have their money and they will pay for it. So the second one you should avoid is the word trust me. Whenever you are trying to close a sale, don't you ever use the word trust me. Let me tell you, you do not ask people to trust you, you actually build trust. You build trust by the content you put out, the things you do on daily in your social media handles. That's how people come to know and they believe and they trust you. Remember, if nobody trusts you, if they don't like you, if they don't know you, they are not going to buy from you. So you must be able to establish the KLT factor and make sure the 3 are in place. If you have just 1 out of the 3, I bet you're still going to struggle. So do not tell people to trust you. You have to build trust over time and allow them to come to you. I had someone who was trying to purchase a product of mine, and she was trying her best to use her debit card. She did everything she could from her end. It was not possible. So I asked her to send me her card details. Immediately I asked her, she sent it to me, and I was able to make the purchase from my end. Now, come to think of it, if I have not been able to build trust where she is, do you think she will send her debit card to me? No, she wouldn't. And because I've been able to build trust over time, just by putting out content, she sent her debit card information for me, and I was able to make that purchase for her. So you need to think about it. Stop asking people to trust you. You actually build trust over time. You get it? Yes. The third one is a mistake almost everybody makes. Whenever you're trying to follow up a prospect, remember, it's not everybody that comes to your funnel the very first day will actually buy what you're selling. Some of them, it will take them 1 week. Some of them, it will take them 3 days. I had some people in my list that it took them 1 full year for them to actually decide to get what I was selling. And then those days that it was taking them time to make a decision, do you know what I was busy doing? I was busy building relationship with them. I go ahead of time to ask of their family, ask of their friends, ask about the things they do, and we interact. We stayed for a whole 1 year before they became part of what I do, and that's because I was able to check up on them. The main mistake some of you make is going to your prospect and you be like, I haven't heard from you in a long while. I haven't heard from you after our last discussion. You don't tell your prospect like that. Immediately you do that, you sound desperate, and the person will be like, why is he disturbing me? Now, you should be able to know that you should have been able to build a relationship with these people. Don't just come and be like, I haven't heard from you after our last discussion. No. Immediately you come with the line, I haven't heard from you after our last discussion, they will know that you are just there for their money. I hope you're learning something. Give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and family. They need to see it. And if you have not subscribed, do it right now. Moving on to the fourth one is do not say to be honest with you. Whenever you're trying to close a prospect, don't use the line of sentence to be honest with you. I mean, is it now you're becoming honest with the person? The person will think, why now? To be honest with you, to be sincere with you, to be frank with you, avoid it whenever you're trying to close a sale. There is a place you show authority as a salesperson, but you don't beg people. Like, you don't be like, to be honest with you, don't do it. It is going to make you lose your sale. Immediately you're telling someone to be honest with you, the person may think, so you have not been honest with me all this while? No. You should learn how to create offers. Your offers are the things that compel people to actually buy what you're selling. I hope you get that. Yes. Moving to the last one, which is the fifth one, is comparison. Whenever you're trying to close a prospect, most questions that come is, why should I buy from you? You see, that question is very tricky. Why should I buy from you and not from them? When that question comes, do not say because I am this, I am that. No, you actually mirror the question back. You'll be like, why didn't you buy from them? Make sure you are not talking down on those competitors. Make sure you are able to say nice things about them. That's when these people will make a buying decision between you and your competitors. You can say they are nice people, you can check up on them, know what they are doing, talk to them, why haven't you buy from them? When this question comes, your prospect will be thinking, wow, he's not even after the money. Yes, that is the mindset you should have. There was a time I was selling an affiliate product, and that product is actually $120, and if I'm to sell it, I'm getting $60 as commission. But there was a lady I was trying to close, not knowing that another person was actually trying to close her, and she decided to go with that person. So when she came to me, she started apologizing that, oh, I'm sorry, I actually bought from my brother. I said, you are welcome on board. I am not moved. Thank you for actually buying from the person. I was like, I'm glad you are now one of us. Whether you bought from me or you didn't buy from me, it is fine. You're welcome to the game. And she was thrown aback and she was like, whoa, really? You mean you don't feel bad that I didn't buy from you? I said, no. Whatever have not been given to me is not my own. And that was it. The next thing she needed, she got it from me. So you need to be able to talk good about your competitors. That's how people will see that you're not really desperate to make money. So I hope the information you just digested from this video will be helpful to you to know what to say to your prospect and what not to say, so that you make more sales and get more money for your business. If that be yes, I want you to leave me a comment down below. Tell me how your sale experience has been. Tell me what it has been when you lost a sale, what made you to lose that sale. If you can remember, drop it for me in the comment box and I'll be there to interact with you. See you next time, and just like I said to my student, I'm saying to you, chase knowledge first.